Chew gum to stop onion tears. Sounds bizarre, right? Here's the science. When you slice into an onion, it releases a chemical irritant called synpropane thiolase oxide, which reaches your eyes and causes that stinging sensation and relentless tears. But there's a hack. Chewing gum while chopping onions encourages you to breathe through your mouth, not your nose. This simple shift prevents the irritant from reaching your tear ducts, drastically reducing the likelihood of tears. The constant chewing also keeps your mouth and nose busy, further distracting your brain from the onion's chemical attack. So, next time you're prepping dinner, pop a piece of gum and say goodbye to onion-induced crying fits.